Alright, Tram Doctor bought another winner. Another eBay prize. In here, I hope you know what's left of it. Is a PAL 351. We bought it because it has one driving 3 8952s. I think I paid like $1.25 for it, and then $45 shipping. So I hit about 170 into it, and since it's got the pulses right there, remember I paid $45 for shipping, and it actually cost the seller $27, so you know, kind of got ate up on shipping. But it probably would have cost $45 if he would have packed it, you know, right or good and all this. And this is the way I got it. I mean, I didn't do that or molest it or open it yet or anything like that. And you know, we picked it up and got it up in the radio room, and we heard stuff rattling. So you know, we're gonna make this video and I'll open it up and see what I got. But you know, you know, not too happy. I'm kind of dreading opening this guy, you know, like what the heck we have on here. I guess I ought to be happy that it survived the ride. It came from Lincoln, what is that, NE? So anyway, I guess without further ado, oh, don't drop the knife on your foot. Alright, missed me. We're gonna open her up and see what we get. Hope the tubes made it, if nothing else. You know, I've used this double box, and I've used heavier boxes than this guy did with the single. And you know, it's not a good box. It was pretty cheap. And as you can see, the box barely made it. Hey, we got pieces of bubble wrap in there. You know, a couple pieces. There it is, threw in there. This is how I got it, y'all. Wow. That's a lovely looking piece, right? Yeah. Well, at least they wrapped the tubes. I said I'd be okay if the tubes made it. Hey, one made it. Looks like number 2 made it. Let's keep going. Come on, cross my fingers. It looks like number 3 made it. Last but not least, right? Number 4. I guess I'll chalk this up as a win if the tubes are good after I test them. And here's the fine amp I bought. Uh-oh. I wonder if the cover had screws in it when he shipped it. Probably not. He probably took them out to put the tubes in it. And we got 3 screws. Alright. Certainly didn't look this bad in the pictures either, and of course we're not happy with that shipping. I don't know if I want to mess with this. That'll be a lot of work. Maybe I'll just take the tubes and kill the rest, or maybe I'll play with it one day. Whole lot of work on this guy. Yep. One driving 3. PAL 351 BDX. Oh well. Don't know if I want to play with this project, so anybody want to take it off my hands, maybe make me an offer. Alright, that's it for this one. Bye.